Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna talk about a crucial step for every business owner in the Philippines. So that's registering your business with the BIR or Bureau of Internal Revenue. So whether you are a small business owner or someone planning to scale your operations, you need to ensure that you are compliant with our country's tax laws. So in this episode, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of registering your business with the BIR, including penalties if you miss the registration deadline, and I'll explain some key terms like authority to print or ATP. But before we dive in to this topic, let me introduce myself. So my name is Dennis Hilario, and I'm a business consultant here in the Philippines, helping entrepreneurs get started, scale, and navigate through the complexities of running a business. So if you're interested in tips on these things like entrepreneurship and everything in between, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming episodes. Alright, now let's get started with today's topic. So now that you have successfully registered your business name with the DTI or SEC, you might think that you're done with the paperwork. But it's a couple more. So one important step, you need to register your business with the BIR. And you need to do this within 30 days of receiving your DTI or SEC certificate. If you fail to register this with the BIR within the required time frame, then you'll be subject to penalties. The fine can range from 5,000 to 20,000 pesos depending on the type of business. So it's not something you want to overlook. Now, there are two ways to register with the BIR. Number one is online, and second is in person at your local BIR Revenue District Office or RDO. So I'll start with the online method since it's the most convenient option for many of us. Step 1 is prepare required documents. So before starting the registration process, make sure you have these documents ready. First is your DTI certificate or SEC certificate, depending on your business type. Next is a government ID, so any valid ID like passport or driver's license. Next is proof of address, which is basically the lease contract of your office address. BIR Form 1901 for sole proprietorships and freelancers, or BIR Form 1903 for corporations and partnerships. So make sure to scan these documents because you'll need to upload them during the online registration process. Step 2 is create an account on the BIR online registration system. So head over to the official BIR website and look for the ORUS or online registration system. So you'll need to create an account in this platform if you don't have one. It's just a simple process. No? Just input your details like your full name, email address, and taxpayer identification number or TIN if you already have one. Once you've created your account, you have to verify it through your email to activate. Step 3 is fill out the registration form. So once logged in, you'll need to fill out the necessary forms. Again, BIR Form 1901 for sole proprietors, freelancers, and professionals. BIR Form 1903 for partnerships and corporations. In this form, you'll be required to provide details about your business, like the nature of your business, its address, and the tax type applicable to you. So just make sure to double check all the information before submitting them, because incorrect details can cause delays in your registration. Step 4 is pay the registration fee. So once the forms are submitted, you'll be directed to pay the registration fee. You can do this via BIR's partner banks or their online payment system. So don't forget to keep a copy of the payment confirmation as you'll need to submit this as proof of payment. Step 5 is submit the documents online. So after payment, upload the scanned copies of your required documents, your DTI or SEC registration, valid ID, proof of address, and proof of payment of the 500 peso registration fee. Once you have uploaded everything, you'll receive a confirmation email from the BIR. You'll then need to wait for their approval, which can take anywhere from a few or to a couple of weeks. Step 6 is get your ATP or authority to print. So once it's approved, you'll need to apply for authority to print / invoices or ATP. So what exactly is an ATP? So it's actually a document issued by the BIR that authorizes a business to print sales invoices or service invoices and other forms like collection receipt. So to apply for an ATP, so fill out BIR Form 1906, submit a sample format of your invoice that you'll be using. So choose an accredited printer who will print your receipts or your invoices. So once approved, you'll get your service or sales invoices which are valid for 5 years. You'll need to renew your ATP after that. Now, if online registration isn't an option for you because at times, Orus is down, unfortunately, so you can still go to your local BIR RDO office to complete the registration in process. So some RDO offices are still accepting walk-in applications, so you can bring your documents and submit them directly. So make sure you bring the same set of documents like DTI/SE certificate, valid ID, proof of address, and proof of payment of the registration fee. If possible, call ahead to confirm if they are accepting in-person applications, as policies may vary between RDOs. Step number 7 is secure your BIR certificate of registration. So finally, once everything is processed, the BIR will issue a COR or BIR Form 2303. This is your proof that your business is now officially registered with the BIR and is tax compliant. You should display this certificate prominently in your place of business as required by law. And that's it. You're officially registered with the BIR and you're one step closer to being fully compliant with all the legal requirements for running a business in the Philippines. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And again, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more practical business tips and guides. If you have any questions about the process or need help with the business-related matters, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be sure to respond. So thanks for watching and listening. DX Your Life and Business. Have a great day.